In front of me is XIAOMI 13, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Privacy Protection. After that, tap on All Permissions and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like for example, location. Then click on one of your apps, I will go with Booking.com, and tap on one of those options that you wish to apply. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click on it, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. Over here, you need to tap on See All Messages Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!